You want to explode Seamus Heaney's Storm on the Island in under 3 minutes? Let's do it! This whole poem is very blunt and explicit. The title reflects that actually, I believe. Storm on the Island. Very basic to the... This poem is often seen as a metaphorical reference to the Troubles in Northern Ireland. And if, like me, you're a child of the 70s, you would have experienced what that was like in real life. This one stanza first-person narrative feels really personal. And the use of first-person inclusive we and our shows us it's a communal experience, that these people are bound together. Like as a single block, this poem seems like the houses that people build to survive against a storm. It has a conversational tone as the poet speaks directly to the reader, you know what I mean? Which makes us remember our own experiences of storms. Yet on this island, there is none that Heaney says might prove company. Therefore, this poem moves from a feeling of peace to a feeling of conflict and fear when the storm comes. Nature is presented as being against them as there is no natural shelter. At line 14, when the storm hit, the spray from the sea spits like a tame cat turned savage. This simile emphasises how this welcomed thing has now turned against its owners, which shows a sense of disloyalty and potentially betrayal. The wind is presented as dives and strafes, like a fighter plane. It seems invisible and impossible to capture, highlighting its absolute power over the situation. The last 4 lines show the power of the storm. The islanders are bombarded as if they cannot prevent what's coming. Fear is also presented as a huge nothing that we fear, suggesting everything is invisible yet deadly. It's bubbling away. It can be sensed, but it can't always be seen or felt physically in your hand. A bit like the IRA, if I'm honest. They were always present in the 80s as an underlying current in our politics, our lives, and our work. Nature being personified as a tragic chorus can relate to any of the bombings that did or did not happen, and the cost of human life through these struggles and troubles, which of course seem like light-oties because really it was a war, but no one really wanted to come out in the British government and declare it as such. Therefore, I salute you, Seamus Heaney, for giving us a message that we can carry forward in time about the impact of struggles on people in their natural lands. If you'd like me to look at any of your poems that you're currently studying, let me know. Follow for more. You want 5 Jekyll and Hyde quotes that can be